Alright, ladies and gents, boys and gals, once this car passes here, we're just going to load up this Ford F450 here. Come on, dude. Taking your sweet ass time, lady. Do here is we'll get this thing loaded up real quick as a snicker. For right now, check the side real quick to see what we're looking at. Let's go around this side. Oh, it looks like I got me a rack right there. Lug nuts on the arm there. Who's this guy kidding? Says it's not that heavy. You hear the truck? Whoa. We will drop this drive shaft because it is a dually, and yeah, you guys already know I don't mess around. Not with that type of stuff. No sir. Yeah, that sucker's actually decently heavy there. Let's see. It's got them. G-hook slots all the way up top there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull up real quick. gotta get around. There's a dumpster back there. There we go. We'll sneak right past it. There's a dumpster. The only reason I'm doing it like this is so I can be out of the way of any traffic. Right. T-slot. Trying to think it's gonna come out of there. Here it is. There she blows. Oh, gives you nice. This is the Guardian Angel flash. It's pretty nice, but it also works as a nice flashlight. Especially when you're trying to drop a drive shaft or something that's magnetic. It stays on there nice and tight like. I think it's an injectors. I think it's not injectors. Maybe that's all hydraulic fluid. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Making sure it was this one here. I hate it when it's different size ones. Well, be so I'm gonna have to go out or in or something here. I can only go out, so we gonna just extend her out a little bit. Right to there. Put all the drive shaft hardware right there on the ground. Might as well get the strap. I lost my dang strap. Foolishly. Now I gotta be here. And I got this. I did switch out my sling to this here. Nice heavier duty toolbar. But needs a little bit of TLC to it. So, with that being said, need some. Come on. I just do that so it doesn't bounce around back here like it's going to now. Because I towed another one of these landscaper guys' trucks. Not this one. But I towed another one. And the other one that I towed, I let the guy keep my drive shafts strap. Just out of a courtesy. Because he had nothing else to hold. Son of a gun, I have to go out some more with it. This is where missing that remote. I do miss the remote. Because the remote, you could have just stayed down underneath there. Just gone ahead and did it. There we go. Didn't mean to go there. Might have to strip it on this side. There we go. Ooh, look at that. It's right in there. Straight up in there, check. Oh, let's drive shaft bolts now. Damn it, man, look how you done. Look up here. Gotta love the there. All right there in front of your damn eyes, boy. Back over there to the spot where we drop it off at. Guardian Angel flashlight. tag light. Yeah, I'm running this old school one still right now. Had a corded tag light, but yeah, the freaking receptacle went bad on it. Wonder if I doubt it will reach that all the way. Just letting these guys right here. On here. Because I had a bad receptacle, I had to send it back. So because of sorry about that, guys, I lost you there. My camera died, but nonetheless, we're just gonna do a couple double checks real quick. Got our air hooked up. I mean, not our air. Got our tag light hooked up. I did just hook it to the top up there. So yeah, you can kind of see it up there. I just gotta add the light. Ooh. Don't lose that. Add some light down here so show we took out the drive shaft. Drive shaft disconnected. Do that. Running them safety chains. Probably. Ooh, ooh. Dropping that drive shaft. And he says it's just some grass in there. A whole bunch of dirt. Whatever, nothing we can't handle though. Alright, ladies and gents. There you have it. Little load up of a Ford F450 4-door loaded with some dirt in it. Guy tried to say that he didn't have nothing in it, but obviously there's something in there. So nonetheless, we're gonna get it over to right down the street from our shop there in Yorkville and get her dropped off. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos that we've been posting, so stay tuned. As always, we appreciate the views, we appreciate the comments, and we appreciate all you guys that just keep watching our channel. It's a blessing, most definitely. So thank you, God bless you, and stay tuned.